Let's meet Charlie, studying in a college. He has to submit lots of projects and thesis during his course study, and he is totally dependent on his laptop for this purpose. But a few days ago, accidentally he lost all his hard drive data. He could not find out the actual reason for its failure and was looking for a quick fix. While searching online, he found out iTech Xpress. He got to know that their trained technicians can detect the hard drive failure issues as fast as possible. And the best part is that they have a wide collection of device spare parts in stock. He was surprised to know that they offer guarantees on their every repair service. Without wasting his time, he immediately visited their store and was happy to avail their affordable hard drive failure fix service in Glendora. If you're in the same situation like Charlie, then contact their experts now by dialing 626-777-4747. You can also visit their official website https://xpressinc.com/ for more further details.